Simple to-do lists are supposed to make life easier. But if you have ADHD, they can actually make things feel worse. You write everything down. You feel motivated for about 5 minutes. And then you avoid the list completely. I'm not a doctor, and this content is for educational purposes only. I'm just sharing what has helped me manage my ADHD in real life. Traditional to-do lists assume that you'll have consistent energy, predictable focus, and that you'll be able to move from one task to the next without resistance. But ADHD doesn't work like that. With ADHD, your motivation changes. Your focus changes. Your mental energy changes. Sometimes within the same hour. So when you make a long list of tasks, your brain sees it as pressure, overwhelm, and expectation instead of support. The problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem is that to-do lists are usually built around neurotypical planning systems. They don't take into account low energy days, executive dysfunction, task initiation struggles, or mental fatigue. So instead of helping you, they quietly set you up to feel like you're failing. Instead of using traditional to-do lists, I use a more flexible planning system. One that allows me to work with my energy, not against it. Adjust when my focus drops, and still move forward without burnout. Because planning doesn't have to be rigid to be helpful. Some days, my goal isn't productivity. It's maintenance. And that's okay. Flexible planning lets you scale tasks down, focus on what's realistic, and reduce the mental resistance that comes from unrealistic expectations. If traditional planners and to-do lists have never worked for you, I created a free ADHD-friendly planning kit that focuses on flexibility instead of rigid routines. You can download it using the link in the description. You don't need more discipline. You need a system that works with your brain.